Hello, Rossmoor resident. My name is Diedre Thu Nguyen. I am currently a candidate running for AD70. That includes City of Garden Grove, Westminster, Fountain Valley, Stanton, Los Alamitos, Rossmoor, a little bit of Huntington Beach, a little bit of Santa Ana, and Midway City as well. I am currently Mayor Pro Tem for City of Garden Grove. I came here when I was 9 as immigrant. I escaped Vietnam as a boat people. I first came to Orange County and I never left, which is 36 years ago. I am a product of public school. I went through junior high and high school in the district. I graduated from UC Irvine as a pre-med. Just like any other parent, my parents expect me to be a doctor, but I was a little rebel myself. I decided to go into research. I got my master in clinical genetics. I worked for the same company right after college for Quest Diagnostic as with a genetic background. Now I am work in the molecular oncology and cancer research scientist as by trade. I first ran for office in 2016 as a city council for Garden Grove and won the election by 62%. And I rerun in 2018 with the 72% of vote. A little bit about my activism. I grew up in the community. I always believe paying forward. I believe in working together, building bridges. I have been working with local school as well as the Garden Grove Unified School District because I believe in education and provide the path of success to our students. At the same time, I also work with different non-profit organizations to provide leadership training, build up the pipeline. And I believe in public safety. I work very closely with our officers from the Garden Grove POA, police officers, to recruit more officers to provide resource and to provide quality of service. And now I decided to run for state assembly because I do believe in have a strong representation for our district, bring resources back to our district, and help the community. Especially, I believe in local control, that we be able to help and collaborate between the state and local government. I am very transparent. I would like to hear from constituents, and communication is a fundamental of success. And I believe in open door policy, being transparent and willing to work across the aisle. That's what the reason why I run for office. I thank you for the opportunity to be with you and introduce myself, and I'm always available for any questions, and I'm looking forward to work for you, represent District AD70. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.